Okay, here is step 2 to solving the Rubik's Cube. Again, thank you Dan Brown for teaching me this via YouTube. Okay, so green is done, and the top row, red equals red, white equals the white side, orange equals the orange side, yellow equals the yellow side. So the green is done. So now what we do is we spin the cube, put blue up. So now blue is up. So now what we want to do is we want to work on these four, the four centerpieces. And as a rule, you can't touch one that has blue in it. So I can't touch this one. I can't touch this one. Here is one that I can do. So orange and yellow. So what I want to do is I want to spin orange until it's with the orange piece. Now the yellow needs to go. No, not to the right. It needs to go to the left. So if this piece here needs to go to the left, I'm going to do this easy algorithm. It's going to be up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, front, up inverted, front inverted. Now what's happened is this orange yellow piece moved this way. So now all I'm going to do is, it's right. I'm going to go back up top and I'm going to say, here's a blue orange, I can't touch it. Here's a blue white, I can't touch it. Well, here's a red yellow, I can touch this one. So all I do is spin red until it's with the red side. And now, does it need to go left? Nope. So here goes that algorithm. It needs to go right. So red needs to go right to red yellow. So it's another easy algorithm. It's just up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up, front. Now what's happened is this red yellow has moved this way. Now it's red yellow. Green is still done. So now I go back up to the top and blue orange, blue white, blue yellow. Here's one, white and red. So I'm going to spin the white till it's here. Now does it need to go left? Nope. It needs to go right. So I do this algorithm again. So it's just up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up, front. Now the second row is complete. Now if when you first start you have four pieces that have blue, well, then what you're going to have is you're going to have all these pieces that are mixed up down here. So if a piece is mixed up, just put the mixed up piece here, front right, and do this algorithm here. Up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up, front. And then what happens is it's going to bring the piece. It's going to bring the piece that was here over to here. So if you have a piece here, if all these have blue in them, then you're going to have, and this isn't done, you're going to have a piece down here that is, let's say it's white and red or something. So you need to move this piece out of here up to here so that you can spin it and put it where it belongs. So that's how you do it. You take the piece that's wrong, you put it here, and then you do the up and right, and it's going to put it back here. So I'm going to take this piece here, it's wrong, and I'm going to do up, right, up inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up, front. And it took that piece that was blue and red and it put it back here. So this piece here has to go left. So I put the orange at the top, I go up inverted, up, left, up, front, up inverted, front inverted, and it moved that orange and yellow piece over here. It seems tough, but it's very easy. It's very easy. And here are the two algorithms, okay? And if you notice, it's two right, two wrong, two wrong, two right. When I say wrong, I mean inverted, so counterclockwise. So if you notice here, the rights are on the inside. And if you notice here, the lefts are on the outside. So what I do is a little, which way is left? Okay, so when you do which way is left, you imagine brackets with your hands. So that tells me that if my piece has to go left, then the inversions are on the outsides. And if you also notice, it's upright, upright, up front, up front. So either way, the up front is on the back end, and the up front is on the back end, either way. So if you need to go right, it's upright, upright, up, front, up, front. And if you need to go left, you know it's up, left, up, left, up, front, up, front. So that's easy to remember. If it needs to go right, you're doing right twice. If it needs to go left, you're doing left twice. But then where do you invert? It was tough for me at the beginning. So that's how I figured it out. You know what? If I need to go left, I think of left like this, and I do the inversions on the outside. So it's up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, front, and then up inverted, front inverted. If it's on the right, if I need to go right, it's on the inside. So that's the way I learned it and remembered it. Hope it helps you. Now, do this a whole bunch of times and then come back to me. Just so you know, for the next step, it looks like I already have the first piece of the next step. I might undo that. I might not.